Hey guys, how you doing? It's Nikki of Bubble Babes and of Bubble Babes University. In today's video, I am making foaming sugar scrubs. And if you are interested in taking the class, we have it already and set for you at Bubble Babes University. I will have the link down below. It comes complete with my tweaked recipe, a workbook, and everything you need to successfully learn at your own pace. So make sure you check the link down below. You already know what to do. Subscribe, of course, share the video with your friends, like it, and put on your notifications bell so you know when I'm putting up another video or when I'm going live. And you already know we go live every Tuesday and Thursdays. Tuesdays is Let's Talk Tuesday, and Thursdays is Live in the Session Studios, and we'll also have a live guest. This week's guest is going to be Coach Tanisha, and she's going to show us how to make money using our social media platforms and business. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you click all the links, follow us on all socials, and if you are not a member of the Honor Society yet, what are you waiting for? And I will see you in the next video.